Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Patidar from IIPS DAVV. I am here to present my project on topic Library Management System. Abstract. Library Management System is a project which aims in developing a computerized system to maintain all the daily work of library. This project has many features which are generally not available in normal library management systems like facility of user login and a facility of teachers login. It also has a facility of admin login through which the admin can monitor the whole system. The librarian, after logging into his account, that is admin account, can generate various options such as new student, new book, issue book and return book details. Overall, this project of ours is being developed to help the student as well as staff of library to maintain the library in the best way possible and also reduce the human efforts. Now let's move on to introduction of project. The project library management system is developed in C++, which mainly focuses on basic operations in a library like adding new member, new books and updating new information, searching books, members and facility to issue and return books. Using this web application, user can make the bookings of book online and can look for the book either it is available or not in the library. Now let's move to purpose of project. It provides better and efficient service to members, reduce the workload of librarian, faster retrieval of information about the desired book. It provides facility for proper monitoring, reduce paperwork and provide data security. Now all details will be available on a click for both user and librarian. The main problem arises that if there is already software presenting the library management system, then why this project is used? There is some problem in existing system. In existing system, library is maintained manually. Tracing a book is difficult. Fast report generation is not possible. Information about issue or return of the book is not possible. It required a lot of time to record or to retrieve the details. All this problem is solved by my project. My project provides better and efficient service to users. The users will register them through online, faster retrieval of information about the desired book, provide facilities for proper monitoring, reduce paperwork. Now let us discuss about software and hardware requirements. In hardware requirements, we need Pentium 3 GHz or higher processor and 2 GB RAM and minimum 5 GB hard disk. Whereas in software requirement, we need Windows 7 as operating system, Visual Basic 6.0 as front end and MySQL as backend. Whereas language used in this system is C++. Now let's move to functional requirements. First, user login. This feature used by the user to log into system. They are required to enter user ID and password before they are allowed to enter the system. The user ID and password will be verified, and if invalid ID is there, user is allowed to not enter the system. Now second, register new user. This feature can be confirmed by all the users to register new user to create account. Third, register new book. This feature allows to add new books to the library. Fourth, search book. This feature is found in book maintenance part. We can search book based on book ID, book name publication or by author name. Fifth, issue books and return books. This feature allows to issue and return books and also view reports of book issued. Sixth, fine charge. In case of failure in return on or before the last date, the student will be charged penalty fine based on the per day rate multiplied by the number of days. The system must update this status time to time. Next, we will discuss the data flow diagram. This data flow diagram gives the flow of system. In this diagram, at the root level, library system is present. It contains two children, admin and student. After the successful login, the admin contains a functions list of student, add book, update student, search student, update book, list book, delete student, insert student. It contains two entries, search by name and search by register number. If student is successfully login, then it contains three functions that are list book, search book and issue book. In search book, student can search book by search by book name and search by book ID. If new student want to register, then it uses register function. Student cannot use functions of admin and admin cannot use functions of student. Here are some screenshots of web pages. These are actually login page. In this page, there is both admin login and library login. Library and login. Both requires same details. If admin want to login, they have to enter email address and password, which is provided while registration. Next page is admin section. When you log in admin section, then this is the home page of admin section. Next is add book form. If you want to add books, then this form is used for adding the new book in the library. Now this is return book form. By clicking on return book button, this page will show in the screen. Here you can enter the following information like book ID, book name, book author, author name, fine, name and return book from the library. By entering the following information, you can return the book. Now let's move to future scope of project. The library management system is an application for assisting a librarian managing a book library in university. The system would provide basic set of features to add or update members, to add or update books, and manage specification for systems based on client's statement of need. All these extra features are added in my project. It gives better use of library for student as well as library person. So from my project I am concluded that it allows user to store the book details and person's details. This software allows storing the details of all the data related to library. The implementation of the system will reduce data entry time and provide readily calculated reports.